We can remove multiple value from the array in JavaScript. So we can take one array. I want to 10 or 1 element remove from the array data. Now we can add here 1 and 10 and little bit change here from array data array data elements. Here remove elements includes pass in parameter element. Include method, it is check already exist in remove element or not. So if it exists, then it return true and others is false. We want to array data which is not exist in remove element, so it will definitely remove 1 and 10 data, means 1 or 10 already exists in remove element. Now check. So that's it. Here 1, 5 and 10 in actual array, and in result we got only 5th element. So that's it. This way we can also remove multiple elements from there in JavaScript using ECMAScript.